Mango Bosku was arrested on May 4, 2026.
Only podcast Cerita Lah, hosted by Andy and Ran. Kau pernah nampak video dia?
Tak.
Tak pernah. So aku tahu mana korang dapat video ni. Kalau ada korang link kat bawah lah okay? So kita boleh tengok video tu. Jangan
Pasal
censored punya. Jangan tak censored. Aku tak nak tengok benda tergantung tau. Okay, so siapa yang tak tahu?
dah
Macam
macam
aku tahu je betul dia. Okay,
kita
so,
tak tahu sangat lah, tapi
Ya.
it's quite recent kan.
from whatever we read lah, okay. Kalau kita salah pun sila comment below. Let us know. Okay. You're just telling from what we read, what we hear.
Okay lah, ini apa yang dia cakap lah
Okay, go ahead.
This is the source
Speed it.
Okay, speed it from asia1.com Apa korang marah website tu?
Yes sir.
Okay. Mango Bosku was arrested on May 4, 2026 at
Sir.
his Yishun car wash following a police report over a 56-second video circulating online.
56 boy.
Tak tak 1 minute. Okay, the video recorded around November 2025, so it's quite recent. Shows a popular restaurant owner being threatened and forced to strip after being accused of being too close to the flimmer's wife.
Yes. Okay, jap. Siapa tahu siapa di business owner? Sila komen juga. Aku nak tahu. Okay. Spill the tea. Come on.
Speed the tea, we share the tea.
Spill the tea. Aku nak tahu kenapa. Oh, siapa? Okay, go on.
It spread via WhatsApp and social media recently.